Hey everybody, it's Brian back to give a quick update. I've been a little bit light on the plant videos the last 2 weeks or so because I've been consumed with this shed project. Now this is the murder shed, or what we call the murder shed, on my property. As you can see, it is dark and scary and full of spiders, and looks like bad things happen in this shed. But we made the decision to tear this down, and that's what all of my extra energy has really been focused on. I'm doing all the work myself, so trying to tear this thing down without killing myself. Some of the wood is really rotted. It wasn't put in very well. It's been here forever, so just trying to get it down without dying. And then we're going to replace it with a nicer floor, put some pavers in, put in a new shed and some extra storage. I'll probably extend my bamboo boxes as well that I have along the back fence, just to provide additional privacy and screening. So, and the reality is there's not a lot going on in the plant area right now anyway. It's primarily just maintenance and cleanup as we continue to flirt with fake spring and the weather turning back to winter every few days. So I will, once I'm finished with the shed project, I'll have a video on the entire thing start to finish. You'll be able to see again what it was when I started and what we ended up with. So that's it. That's where I've been. Hope all your gardening is going well and that your tropical and subtropical plants are thriving in your cold environments. If you haven't already, give us a like and a follow, and get up to date on all of the videos that I put out on keeping tropical and subtropical plants in cold weather environments.